We do, we're kitchen Kayleys, so you know the best Kayleys are in the kitchen, right? Yeah, yeah. So we sit around the dining room table. That's kind of how we come today. We tend to sit around the dining table and have a pot of tea and you know, some treats and scones and maybe a little whiskey and sing songs. And once in a while we get inspired to sing in front of other people than ourselves. Okay, we're going to start with some Push to Bell. Most of you are familiar with our entire repertoire, but you know, Push to Bell are silly. So the first one is a man's dilemma. He has a shirt, he has a river, he has soap, he has a wife. He would really like a clean shirt, but he has not figured out how to finesse all those ingredients together to get it.
It's overlooked elbow grease.
Apparently also asking the wife didn't work. or learning to squash. Let's see, the second one's just about hunting. Let's put the goats away and go for a hunt. And the last one's just making a pretty outfit for the fiddler's dog. Yeah, who's got better competition?
Has anybody got
It's like G-sharp is what we do.
Sharp on a piece of paper, but let's try it.
It's horrible, will be run.
Broken